I built this entire e-commerce website in just 2 hours without writing a single line of code. And today I'll show you exactly how to do it using an AI tool called Floot. Floot is a no-code platform that allows non-coders and entrepreneurs build production-ready websites and apps using AI. The entire tech stack is built in so you can finally build what you want without stress. It also has a few hacks that no other AI website builder has, and we will explore all of it. Let's dive in. First, head over to www.floot.com and click Start Building. Then sign up using your preferred method. Once you are signed in, simply describe the type of website you want to create. For this tutorial, let's ask Floot to build a responsive coffee shop landing page for a coffee shop called Coffee Deck. Then click the Build button here. Floot will start writing the code for us in real time. And here's our first draft. We've got the header, a hero section, a menu section, a testimonial section, and a section with contact details. Not bad, but we can make it even better. It's missing a few things, like some images in the featured menu section. Let's fix that. And this brings us to one of the interesting features called Annotate. It takes a screenshot of a section of your site, and then you can circle what you want changed, and tell the AI exactly what to do. In this case, I will highlight the featured menu section and tell it to add stock coffee images and a View Full Menu button. As you can see, it has added images to the featured menu section and this button down here. But I just want 3 cards or items on the featured menu section. So again, I will click on Annotate to get a screenshot of this area, and then I will circle the items I want to remove and prompt it to remove these cards. And here is the result. If you had this tool right now, what's the first thing you'd build? Drop it in the comments, and I might make it in my next video. There are some adjustments we need to make to the homepage using the Annotate feature, like removing the Find Us button, adding a link to the homepage on the header section, and alternating the background color of each section on the home page. I will speed through this part to avoid repetition. Next, let's make a full menu page for Coffee Deck, so that when we click either of these buttons, it will take us to the menu list. To do this, just tell Floot AI to add a separate menu page with all coffee items and link it to these buttons. And here it is. But there are no images to show what each item looks like. Let's fix that. Quick tip: before you make any edits, use the Discuss feature. You can brainstorm ideas, get feedback, and make sure the AI fully understands you, all without changing the site. It's like chatting with your co-designer. Now let's add images to the menu list. I will prompt it to add relevant coffee images to the menu list and a button to place an order. Floot has added images to our menu. But when I click on this button, it doesn't lead anywhere. So let's tell Floot to add a checkout page and implement a complete shopping cart system for Coffee Deck that will allow customers to add an item or multiple items before checkout. And here it is. I can now add items to the cart. And here is the cart page where customers can review their orders and proceed to the checkout page for payment. Another cool feature in Floot is this Select button here. It allows you to edit your web copy directly. When you're happy with your site, click Publish at the top right corner, choose a domain name, then click Publish Now, and within 2 to 3 minutes, your site is live and ready for the world to see. Click the link here to view your website. And that's it. You have successfully built an e-commerce website using Floot AI with 0 bugs and no stress. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video. What website should I build next? Let me know in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video.